Hi, I am Dr. Raman Sau. Currently, I am a final year radiology resident. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I will discuss about the strategy for NEET PG 2021 for the remaining few months. Your INICET result is out, and I want to congratulate to the student who have come out with flying colors. But the student who have not performed that much well in this exam, please don't get upset. For majority of the students, NEET PG is the more important exam, and channelize your maximum energy to that exam. Four important things I will discuss in this video. Number one is your exam postponed and what should be the minor adjustment you should do and what should be your target. Number two is about the grand test. Number three about your mental freshness and how to keep your mind cool. And at the end of this video, I will tell you about the most important strategy, or rather a master plan or X factor plan that will definitely increase your marks for sure. So your exam has postponed, and mark my word, this particular event will determine the fortune of many students. Students who are taking this thing very casually or lightly, they will be excluded from the competition, even though they had a good amount of preparation. But due to lack of the awareness or lack of seriousness at the very end, they will lose the competition. And simultaneously, student who will take this thing very seriously, they will include in this competition and also will come out with flying colors. See, human brain is very wild. If you don't channelize your energy into a particular thing, it will not listen to you. एवरी टाइम ये एग्ज़ाम गेट्स पोस्टपोन्ड, आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि चलो अब तो मेरे पास बहुत टाइम है, 15 दिन के लिए या 20 दिन के लिए लेट्स एन्जॉय एंड फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट मंथ आई विल स्टार्ट seriousthis is not going to work. Make a target. First thing is make a target, like in coming 40 days I will revise the entire syllabus, and then in next 20 or 30 days I will re-revise the entire syllabus. So make a target. That's number one. Now the grand test. Give grand test once a week at a particular day and preferably a particular time. Many students give grand test at the mid of the night. It's better if you give grand test at the same time the real exam is going to happen, and evaluate your progress according to the grand test. Coming to the mental freshness, you are giving the most difficult exam of your life, and you are competing with the fiercest talent of your country. So there will be pressure, there will be frustration. The students who are dropping for more years, they will feel the pressure even more. A bit of pressure is absolutely fine, but if the pressure is really affecting you, then it is very detrimental. That means it is pathological pressure. So how to tackle with the pressure? Number one, do a bit of exercise early in the morning. That will reduce your stress and will give a positive vibe right from the start of the day. Number two, stay away from the negative friends. Secure a bubble so that whatever your friends are doing, this is not going to affect your preparation. Positive comments are always acceptable, but stay away from the negative people. And number three is spare a time for revision, perhaps 30 minutes or 45 minutes just before you are going to sleep. Whatever you read that day, just quickly revise it before you are going to sleep. Because many of the students are facing insomnia and they think that they will not recall anything during their exam. If you just briefly go through the things that you read in that day, perhaps that will give you better sleep. Now coming to the X factor or the master plan I was talking about, and that is make a separate copy for last 4-5 days of your exam, or rather before the exam, and what to study in that 4-5 days. If you have completed your revision twice, then write down the topics or maybe chart, maybe a few one-liner that you tend to forget, and formulate that copy from now. That in perhaps in obstetrics, uh, these are the things I will study in last 4-5 days, and this should be concise. Definitely you don't copy paste all the topics from your original copy, and definitely that will increase your marks. And I did this and it helped me a lot. Remember one thing, exam is an opportunity and you are giving the biggest exam of your life. So this has to be the biggest opportunity you are getting. Grab it. Beyond this exam, a better life is waiting. Your friends, your family members, your senior and junior of the college will remember you for a long, long time if you perform well in this exam. And all the best. I wish you all the best. Study well. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I have given the Instagram ID as well. You can follow me there also.